Hello, beautiful you family, and welcome back to my channel. It is so good to see all of you. So guess what? Valentine's Day is coming up and we want to glam this face up. So please, if you are new here, welcome, and I say subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started. So we are starting off doing our eyebrows, and I am brushing out my eyebrows. I'm using my spoolie to brush it out. When I'm done, like always, I like to use my black eyeliner to create or draw out my eyebrows. Once I'm done with that, I use my dark brown pencil to create strokes inside. So look at what I'm doing, and beautiful you family, go ahead and get your eyebrows done. And gentle strokes. I am done with one eyebrow and I'm moving on to the other eyebrow. So again, get your black pencil and also your dark brown pencil. So I am done with that, and guess what? We are about to beat this eyebrow up. So let's go ahead and get our concealer. Yep, get your concealer and get your flat brush. I'm sorry I did it off camera. So my eyebrows is all done. I use my concealer to clean it up and to create like the shape that I wanted for this Valentine's Day. So guess what? I am cleaning it all up and we are about to get started. I use a little bit of my loose powder. I always use it in front of my eyebrows, just to create a more, natural effect look, because you don't want the front of your eyebrows to be too dark. We don't want that. So that is all done, and guess what? Look at those eyebrows, honey. Look at it. Look at it. Let's move on to be doing our eyeshadow. All right, lovely. So I went ahead to grab my LA Girl concealer, and it is in the color Beautiful Bronzer. I'm using one of my flat brushes to make sure that I spread it all out on my eyelid. Yep, that's what I'm doing. And once I'm done with that, because I'm trying to color correct, I have this new palette that I got. I will be trying it out. We are about to do a very, so the first color that I'm using is more of like a navy blue color, so I am using it in the outer part of my eyelid, and I went ahead to use my black eyeliner to create like lines on my eyelid. Let me tell you, girlfriend, when I started, I didn't have any plans in mind, but as I was, working my way out, I came up with something. I was like, you know what? Let me use my black eyeliner to create or draw some lines and, try to do something. So that's what I did. And now I'm using another concealer in the inner corner of my eyelid. And I will be applying this blue. It's bright blue. And I was like, you know what? Why not? Let me just go ahead and put some there. So that's what exactly what I am doing. So we did use a navy blue color, and I used some pink, some hot pink, and I am using my blue eyeshadow in the inner corner part. And again, when I was done, I went ahead, I grabbed my brush to blend all the colors in on my eyelid, so that the colors will be well blended in and it will be looking so popping. So that's what I did. So keep watching and keep making sure that you blend it all in. That's the magic. If you want your eye shadows to pop, make sure that you use that technique. You have to blend it in. So I also have this liquid eyeshadow, and it is in the color, I believe it was gold, so I just use a little bit, and now I am moving on to be doing my foundation. So I use my LA primer, and the color is white, and once I'm done with that, I will be using my one of my what you may call it, my foundations on my face, and I am using my beauty blending sponge to make sure that my foundation is well blended in. So when I'm done in it, all the products that I use, I will list it below, so that if you want to try it out, you can go ahead and use it. So again, I am using my concealer, and my concealer, I am using my e.l.f. concealer, and it is in the color Rich Cocoa. Oh girl, did I tell you I like that concealer? That concealer is also the bomb. I love it. So as always, I like to create like a V, and once I'm done creating the V, I color it in. So you can also go ahead and do it. All right, so let's keep watching. And girlfriend, I hope you will be doing this look, or even, you know, once you learn the techniques, trust me, you can go ahead and create a very beautiful look. So again, when I'm done with that, I am using my Juvia's Place, and I am using my powder to bake my face. And again, I will list the powder, the color that I use, and I am applying it all. I apply some on my chin, and I had this palette that I also got, and oh, I love it. I will be using that to contour my face, because usually sometimes I find it so hard to find a contour palette that has like a darker color in. Sometimes I end up using my black eyeshadow to contour my face, but I was so happy I found this contour, and oh, I love the effect it was giving me. Alright, so my face has been baking enough, and I am going ahead to plane it out, and that is what I'm using. Once I'm done with that, I have my blush. I am applying my blush on my face, and yes, I love this blush. Is one of the my favorite blushes that I like. And now I am using my black opal powder, and the color is deep 35, and I am going to apply it all over my face and my lips. Yes, I love this lipstick that I got from Black Opal. I always line out my lips with a dark brown pencil. I don't like to use like a black pencil to line out my lips. And after I'm done applying my lipstick, I'm going ahead to use one of this lip gloss that I got. It came in a pack, and again, I will list it below, so that if you want to go ahead and grab one, you can. For you family, so I went ahead and applied my falsy lashes off camera, and I am now going ahead to spray my face. I want that face to stay on for a long time, so I went ahead to spray my face, and I also added some crystals, you know, I just wanted to spice it up, because guess what, it's Valentine's Day, and this is my final look. Check your girl out. My look is completed. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Please, if you are new here, make sure you subscribe and you like and you share. And as always, thank you to all my subscribers for always supporting me. Please like, share, and comment. And I will see you in my next video. I hope you have a good Valentine's Day. Guess what? If you don't have a date, girlfriend, I'm telling you, take yourself out. You can go out and have fun all by yourself, and make sure you grab something for yourself. You can treat yourself and get you a nice present. Okay, I will see you in my next video. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and comment, and subscribe.